Good morning. Thank you so much for joining us today on this webinar. We're very pleased to have your participation and want to give our thanks to the host, IQC. I would like to give my thanks to Sarah Wu, our Regional Business Development Representative, and to all the sponsors and participants today on this seminar. I'd like to reintroduce to you Gigi Vita, our Senior Vice President for SQFI, and Leon Chabot, the Vice President of Technical Affairs for SQFI. And myself, I'm Carey Allen, the Vice President of Business Development with SQFI. We're very happy to have your participation today on this seminar to help you learn more about the SQFI program, some very important food safety topics and updates from the GFSI and from SQF. Thank you to all the delegates on the seminar today. We're so pleased to have you join us and are honored by your participation. We hope that today's forum will be valuable to your business operations and to help you in advancing food safety leadership and culture within your organization. We are pleased to bring together these leaders in the industry to share their expertise and knowledge of the market, best practices in global food safety, and utilizing SQFI food safety certification. SQF, as a division of FMI, the Food Industry Association, is committed to building food safety competency and capability in the food industry to ensure the highest level of integrity in food safety management and assurance. Each of you play a critical role in applying the knowledge we share today to ensure we uphold the trust that consumers place in us. With over 11,000 certified operations globally, SQF is proud of the partnerships with our CBs and professionals who support your success. I'm confident that today's inspiring agenda and insightful speakers will leave you excited to advance food safety practices within your own operations and to achieve SQF certification and to proudly celebrate your achievements with your organizations. As the SQF certified community grows in your region, we encourage you to continue sharing and engagement, to share knowledge, to continuously improve food safety practices, improve GFSI, and improve SQFI. GFSI is committed to quality and integrity of auditing and is actively working in several initiatives to bring consistency to the approach of qualifying auditors and maintaining competency in auditing best practice. This is referred to as the race to the top. We hope you will stay tuned for more information on these important initiatives in the coming months. The certification of service providers is also a new category of GFSI benchmarking certification. This would include service providers to the industry, including pest control, laboratory testing, consulting, equipment calibration, and more. These are just some examples of the activities GFSI is engaged in and has provided updates on in the most recent GFSI International Conference. FMI and SQF continuously work to ensure we remain at the forefront in leading response to current and emerging global issues. Our efforts on improving standards for traceability, pathogens and chemical hazard controls, and recall response communications are ways that SQF is engaged with the industry to advance food safety. Again, thank you for coming today. I'm looking forward to sharing more information with you on SQF, our important initiatives, and the growth of our program. A little bit more about FMI and SQFI. As Gigi explained in her opening video, FMI serves the food industry stakeholders across a wide range, including regulatory, educational, market, and workforce issues, all related to the food industry. And SQFI is a global food safety initiative recognized food safety standard. It delivers end-to-end supply chain solution, as they say, from farm to fork. FMI acquired SQF in 2003 to bring extra value to the FMI membership and to improve recall response and reduce brand risk. With more than 11,000 certifications in 40 countries, SQFI is a truly global certification program, and we have a solution to help your organization improve food safety and provide assurance to your customers. So who exactly is FMI, the parent company of SQF? It's the Food Industry Association. Its members include food retail, product suppliers, and industry service providers. The FMI team includes expertise across a wide range of topics, particularly food safety, regulations and government affairs, legal and trade issues, member services, education, and leadership. And the benefits of FMI to the membership include industry representation with regulators, legal issues guidance, crisis management support, networking, and knowledge sharing. All of these are so important for our membership in terms of improving food safety and the customer experience. FMI truly does impact the food industry on a global scale. With an estimated 1,000 food retail and wholesale member companies, we serve 85 international retail member companies across 6 continents. We have nearly 500 associate member companies that provide products and services to the retail food industry as well. SQF, as a division of FMI, is a retailer preferred certification program. It's the leading GFSI standard within North American retailers. It's globally accessible for foreign suppliers, provides an end-to-end supply chain solution, and provides consistency in supplier standards for retailers. FSMA regulatory compliance is assured with SQFI. So if you're an importer bringing product into the United States and your audit includes SQF plus the FSMA addendum, your customers are going to have ease of process in approving your products and your supplier site. Quality assurance management is standardized with a supply chain that's SQF certified. And we have all of the certification status records in a public directory accessible to all the retailers and suppliers in the community. SQF, as I mentioned, is truly a global organization and a global certification program. There's over 11,000 certified operations globally. As you can see, 1,400 plus of those are in Asia Pacific, 550 in Latin America, and over 9,000 in the US and Canada. We have 36 global licensed certification bodies, 35 licensed training centers, and nearly 584 registered auditors. We have 70 registered consultants and 79 registered trainers. So ideally, no matter where you are in the world, you'll be able to find a resource to help your organization gain food safety certification to the SQFI program. Some detail on the SQFI regional presence. We have a large portion of our certificates in the US and Canada, as you can see, and a second in place is the Asia Pacific region with over 1,400 certificates active. We're very excited about the growth of our certification program in Asia Pacific. We're continuing to grow at a rapid pace in Latin America as well. And what this demonstrates is retailer acceptance of SQF is growing globally, and we're really pleased to be able to spread the SQF program to different sectors within the China market specifically. Important sector growth areas, especially that we see in China, are storage and distribution, the certification of packaging materials and dietary supplements. Meat and dairy processing is a very important category of growth. As more products become exported, those food safety expectations on those suppliers have increased by retailers accepting imported product. The prepared foods and recipe meals sectors are a growing category for certification because of the increase in eat at home. With the recent global events, prepared foods for eat at home has become a larger category of certification for SQFI. The quality code is a very exciting and important additional certification program that can be added to food safety that helps companies demonstrate their commitment to reducing cost, increasing efficiency, and ensuring all of the quality characteristics of their products that are important to their customers and consumers are maintained and managed in a very effective way. Local suppliers, small and new companies, are an additionally fast-growing category for SQFI. With the change in the supply chain dynamics in the past few years, small and newer companies that are emerging have higher food safety expectations required of them because of their supply into the retail market. So we see a lot of smaller and new companies coming into SQFI either through fundamentals, the fundamentals program, or coming in through full GFSI benchmarked SQFI certification in their particular food sector category. So what are the benefits to new suppliers with SQF certification? We provide a range of resources to all of our certified suppliers, our auditors, and our consultants. We have a range of online training opportunities in different languages, many pre-recorded training sessions that you can do at your own pace. There's the opportunity to have independent review of your readiness assessments through your certification body so that you know that you're ready to go for food safety certification when the time is right. We have many SQF implementation workshops and webinars like we're doing here today for the SQF China Focus Day. And we have an excellent Supplier Solution Center online where we list many resources, guidance sheets, tip sheets. All the codes are available for free on the SQF website for suppliers. Additionally, the Audit and Certification Status Directory repository, which is the SQF assessment database, is available for all suppliers and retailers to access free of charge. What are the certification benefits to business of SQF certification? Retailers and supplier sites alike can benefit from improved operational systems and controls, which reduces customer complaints. Reducing customer complaints reduces associated labor costs involved with responding to and correcting those issues. Reduced costs increase profit, and those funds then become available to invest, and investments in improved service experience will increase sales. So overall, as you can see, a strong food safety and quality certification program overall brings greater stakeholder return and improved quality of customer service. Retailers find an advantage with SQF certified suppliers. Reliable logistics, brand protection, and consistent risk management are reasons why the retailers find advantage with preferring SQF certification within their supply chain. SQF facilitates a resilient supply chain to reduce disruption, provides a framework for crisis response and recovery, and SQF prepares the organization to manage operational risks. Having the suppliers prepared in these ways helps retailers prevent disruption to their businesses and increases efficiency in operations. These are all desirable benefits for retailers who take advantage of SQF certification within their supply chain. Thanks so much for the opportunity to speak with you today and to address the group. I'm sure that the seminar today will be very inspiring and helpful to your organizations as you implement new food safety programs and as you consider your existing program and how SQFI might be an excellent solution for you. Sarah, thank you so much for inviting me to give this address, and I'll hand it off to you now. Thanks very much.